Healy, the wearable for your well-being, health and fitness. In this video, we would like to show you what is included in your Healy package. In the package, you will find the Quick Start Manual and Instructions Guide. Please read both before you start to use it. You will see how easy it is to use your Healy. Your new Healy will come with a clip on the back, which helps the Healy to be fastened safely to your clothes. All important accessories are packed in the compartment under the Healy. You will also find the ear electrodes for cranial electrostimulation, together with 20 felts. Stick the felts onto the contact surfaces of the ear electrodes. Moisturize them with plenty of water and clip them to the earlobes. Find the bracelet electrodes and the connecting cables there as well. These electrodes should be connected to the Healy using the cables and then attached to the wrists for the holistic systemic programs. At last, there are the adhesive electrodes for local application. Find the power supply and the corresponding micro USB cable. We wish you a lot of fun with Healy and always good health.